What are the best mechanical keyboard layouts for gaming PCs? If you are a gaming enthusiast, you might be curious about which mechanical keyboard layouts can boost your gaming experience. Let's break down the best options available for gaming PCs. First up is the Tenkeyless layout. This design removes the numeric keypad, making the keyboard smaller. This allows your mouse to be closer to the center of your desk. By positioning your mouse this way, you can reduce strain on your shoulders and wrists during long gaming sessions. Tenkeyless keyboards still have all the essential keys for gaming, including function keys and arrow keys. This layout is popular among gamers who want a balance between size and functionality. Next, we have the 60% layout. This compact design omits the function row, navigation cluster, and numeric keypad. By maximizing desk space, it allows for greater mouse mobility. This is especially beneficial for fast-paced games like first-person shooters and real-time strategy games. While it does requiring using function layers accessed by key combinations, many gamers appreciate the minimalist setup. The 75% layout is another great option. This layout includes function keys and arrow keys but leaves out the numeric keypad. It is slightly larger than the 60% layout but smaller than the Tenkeyless design. This makes it a good compromise for gamers who want more keys accessible without taking up too much desk space. Finally, we have the full-size layout. Full-size keyboards include all keys: alphanumeric, function row, navigation cluster, and numeric keypad. While they are bulkier, they offer benefits for gamers who use macros or need quick access to a wide range of keys. This is particularly useful in massively multiplayer online games or simulation games. However, the extra keys can reduce mouse space and may lead to more strain due to the wider reach. When choosing the best layout for gaming, consider practical aspects. Compact layouts like 60%, 75%, and Tenkeyless provide more room for mouse movement, which is critical for precision in competitive games. Smaller layouts also allow for a more natural arm and wrist position, reducing fatigue during extended play. Key accessibility is another factor. Full-size and 75% layouts offer more dedicated keys, which can be useful for games requiring many commands or macros. Additionally, smaller keyboards are easier to transport for local area network parties or gaming events. Ultimately, the best mechanical keyboard layout for gaming depends on your personal preferences and the types of games you play. First-person shooter and real-time strategy gamers often prefer 60% or Tenkeyless layouts for maximum mouse space and comfort. On the other hand, massively multiplayer online players may favor full-size keyboards for the extra keys. The 75% layout provides a middle ground with good functionality and compactness. Choosing the right layout can significantly improve your comfort and overall gaming performance.